In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add questions to Microsoft Forms. This process is straightforward and will enhance your forms significantly. Let's get started on this journey to create engaging forms that suit your needs. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any web browser you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Simply type Microsoft Forms into the search bar and hit enter. You will see several search results. Look for the link that officially directs you to the Microsoft Forms website. This step is important because you want to ensure you are accessing the correct platform. Once you find the right link, click on it and you will be directed to the Microsoft Forms homepage. Next, you may need to click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you are already signed into your Microsoft account, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. If not, you will see a login screen. Enter your email and password associated with your Microsoft account. This step is essential because accessing your account will allow you to manage your forms effectively. After logging in, you will see your forms and quizzes listed on the dashboard, ready for you to work with. Now, open your form or quiz dashboard in Microsoft Forms. On your dashboard, you will see all the forms you have created or have access to. If you want to create a new form, you can click on the New Form button. Otherwise, select an existing form by clicking on its title. This step matters because it helps you get to the specific form where you want to add questions. Once you've opened the form, you will see various options to edit and customize it according to your requirements. Next up, click the Add New button. This button is usually located at the top left of the form editing area. When you click on it, a menu will appear, allowing you to select different options for adding content to your form. This action is crucial because it initiates the process of inserting a new question into your form. After clicking this button, you will be presented with various question types to choose from, which is where the fun begins in customizing your form. After that, select your desired question type from the menu pane that appears. You will find options like multiple choice, text, rating, and more. Each type serves a different purpose, so consider what kind of responses you want to gather. This is important because choosing the right question type will significantly impact the quality of data you collect. Once you select a question type, the form will dynamically adjust to allow you to input your question and other necessary details. Now, type your question text into the main input field. This is where you will articulate what you want to ask your respondents. Make sure your question is clear and concise. Use simple language that everyone can understand. This step is key because well-phrased questions lead to better responses and data collection. After typing your question, take a moment to review it to ensure it captures what you are trying to convey. Finally, customize the specific question settings like adding answer options or making it required at the bottom of the question card. You can toggle options such as whether to allow multiple answers or set the question as mandatory for respondents. This customization is vital because it enhances the structure of your form and can improve the quality of responses. Once you have finished customizing your question, you are ready to move on or add more questions as needed. Now you have added a question to Microsoft Forms with ease. This process is straightforward and allows you to create engaging and interactive forms for your audience. Be sure to explore all the settings to maximize your form's potential.